Hello, I'm going to show you how to work a twisted central double decrease star stitch. To begin, I'm going to slip one stitch to the right needle purlwise. I'm going to slip a second stitch to the right needle as if to purl through the back loop. So I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle from left to right into the back loop of that stitch. Now I'm going to slip two stitches together back to the left needle through the back loop. So I'm going to insert the tip of my left needle from right to left into the back loops of those two stitches and slip them back. Now I'm going to knit three stitches together through the back loops, and I'm going to work a 4-stitch increase into this 2-stitch decrease. So knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit into the back loops of those 3 stitches together, and then pull all of the stitches off the left needle.